Welcome to solverfy.
So the question here states that if we had a chance to get our genome sequence, what are the questions that we might be able to get answered about yourself here? So let's go through the options that we have here. So for A here, it states that one can determine the drugs that can rectify diseases, symptoms of the disease, and its severity here. So this is particularly an example that we can use, and it can be done by genome sequencing, as it shows us what exactly the markers are within our genomic sequence and what is going to be expressed, what's not going to be expressed, to help us personalize drug care. For B here, it states that one can determine the ancestry and genetic origins of diseases and their susceptibility to drugs here. So with respect to the ancestry and genetic origin of diseases, that is something that we can't really tell. However, we need to sequence many different genomes in order to determine that, so that cannot be a correct answer. For C here, it states that one can predict the symptoms and the vectors to be used in gene therapy and the causal organism of the disease here. So just from gene sequencing, we can't really tell that, as symptoms is going to be not only genetic but also environmental, so that cannot be it. For D here, it states that one can determine the pedigree of a disease, produce recombinants, and detect the presence of extracellular genes using FISH here. So without having a sequence of many different people, this is not going to be possible, so that cannot be it. So the best answer for this is going to be A.